The Top AI Productivity Tools Part 1. Few of the leading AI productivity applications categorized as follow. Chatbots, grammar checkers and rewriting AI tools, AI search engines, AI apps for content creation, AI apps for image generation. ChatGPT. Once the pioneer that revolutionized the chatbot world, it still leads the industry today, now powered by GPT-4o, 4o Mini, and the advanced GPT-5 reasoning model. Claude. Claude introduces Artifacts, a tool that builds interactive apps, writes documents, or even creates games. Just tweak your prompts on the left and watch your ideas come alive on the right. Meta AI. Meta AI, now available in the US, marks the first step in bringing powerful AI tools to Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It not only answers questions but also creates images and short animations from your prompts. Zapier Agents. Zapier Agents is a smart AI workspace where you can train agents to work across many apps. Its chatbot-style layout makes creating your own AI agent as easy as chatting with ChatGPT. Grammar checkers and rewriting AI tools. Grammarly, ProWritingAid, and WordTune. Grammarly. Grammarly is the top tool for perfecting your English. It checks grammar, adjusts tone, and simplifies complex sentences. With its many extensions and AI writing features, you can use it almost anywhere you type. ProWritingAid. ProWritingAid rivals Grammarly with deep writing insights, tracking spelling, grammar, and style scores. Its biggest plus? A lifetime plan that gives full access without monthly fees. Check out our comparison to see which fits you best. WordTune. Need to improve your writing? WordTune is your solution. As you type, effortlessly discover numerous phrasing options and synonyms. AI search engines. AI has a hallucination problem. To fix it, the latest tools now run live internet searches. They use those real-time results as verifiable proof, turning the AI into a reliable, source-backed search engine. Perplexity. Why is Perplexity getting so much attention? It delivers excellent, relevant answers, and it always cites its sources. By blending Google, Bing, and proprietary ranking data. Google AI Overviews. Be aware, Google's source selection can sometimes be inconsistent. Always verify the information. But, the generated response still gives you a solid summary, a great starting point before you dive deep. Arc Search. Structured answers are all about efficiency. They let you instantly grasp key points without reading long articles. This saves time, improves understanding, and gives you accurate, concise summaries of even complex topics. AI apps for content creation. The AI models can help you put together first drafts faster by entering prompts, using templates, or using recipes. Jasper, Writer, and AnyWord. Jasper. It comes with dozens of templates to help you get started, connects to the internet for research and sources, and uses artificial intelligence to create images. Writer. Writer ensures all your content is on brand. With style guides and custom templates, it maintains your unique standards. Plus, real-time suggestions deliver instant feedback, helping your team produce cohesive, error-free content efficiently. AnyWord. Marketers, save time with AnyWord. It streamlines creation by giving you structured guidance and multiple title options. Easily customize your outlines to produce high-quality AI apps for image generation. AI-generated images are revolutionizing fields from advertising and game design to education. Midjourney. Midjourney's power comes from advanced AI, like GANs and neural style transfer. These algorithms turn your input into highly detailed, creative visuals. Leonardo AI. AI video generation instantly benefits creators. It streamlines production, slashes time and resources, and lets you experiment with new styles. Create customized, high-quality videos for better engagement, fast. Thank you for watching. Part 2 will be coming soon.